Every year, millions of people lose their lives to the forces of nature. But what if I told you the deadliest creatures on Earth aren't lions, tigers, or sharks? Some are so small, you could crush them with your hand. Others can take your life in a single heartbeat. Today, we count down the 10 deadliest animals to humans. Stay until the end, because number 1 will change how you see the world forever. Number 10. In the murky waters of Africa and Southeast Asia lurks a living relic of prehistory, the crocodile. Each year, up to 1,000 people vanish beneath the surface, victims of lightning-fast ambushes. With jaws that crush bone with over 3,700 pounds of force, crocodiles don't chase their prey. They wait. Perfectly camouflaged in muddy waters, they blend with their surroundings, eyes and nostrils barely above the surface. They can detect even the slightest ripple from potential prey using sensitive pressure sensors along their skin. And what makes them even more terrifying, they can hold their breath for over an hour, slowing their heartbeat to just 2 beats per minute. When they strike, it's already too late. Number 9. The elephant. They're often called gentle giants, but gentleness has its limits. Every year, around 500 people are killed, crushed, or trampled by these colossal animals. In some regions, elephants have been known to attack villages, seemingly in acts of revenge, remembering those who once harmed them. Towering up to 13 feet tall and weighing over 6 tons, an angry elephant can destroy entire homes or vehicles with ease. They communicate through deep rumbles that travel miles underground, warning others of danger. With brains weighing over 5 kilograms, elephants have incredible memory and emotion. They mourn their dead, and when provoked, they never forget. Number 8. The Ascaris roundworm. No claws, no eyes, no sound. Over 2,500 people die each year from this silent invader. Living deep inside the intestines, it feeds unnoticed, slowly starving its host. Often transmitted through contaminated soil or food, these parasites can live for over a year inside the human body. Children in areas with a poor sanitation are the most vulnerable, often suffering malnutrition and organ damage without even realizing it. Severe infections can block intestines or bile ducts, causing life-threatening complications. Females can grow up to 35 centimeters long and lay over 200,000 eggs per day. Invisible, unseen, deadly. Number 7. The freshwater snail. This fragile-looking creature carries a deadly parasite that causes schistosomiasis, killing over 10,000 people every year. Just one swim in contaminated water can let microscopic worms slip through your skin, sometimes in under 30 seconds. And here's the chilling truth. Many infected people never show symptoms until the damage is already done. The parasites can lodge in vital organs, causing liver and kidney damage, bladder cancer, and severe anemia. Children are especially vulnerable, suffering stunted growth and cognitive impairment. Once infected, treatment is possible but often delayed, allowing the worms to silently wreak havoc inside the body. Number 6. The assassin bug, also known as the kissing bug. In the still of the night, something crawls across your face. It bites near your lips while you sleep, transmitting Chagas disease, which can attack your heart years later. Over 10,000 people die every year from this silent killer. It injects an enzyme that liquefies its victims' insides, drinking them from within. Its bite is painless, often unnoticed, allowing the parasite to settle and slowly invade vital organs. Decades later, the damage appears. Heart failure, digestive issues, sudden death. It doesn't kill fast, it kills quietly. Number 5. The tsetse fly. This tiny insect carries African sleeping sickness, a disease that shuts down the nervous system, leading to coma and death. But here's what's fascinating. The tsetse fly gives birth to live young, feeding its larvae blood inside its body before birth. Each bite injects parasites directly into the bloodstream, spreading illness with deadly efficiency. In the wild savannas of Africa, where survival is brutal, this unassuming fly wields lethal power over humans and animals alike. Even the smallest creatures can become ruthless predators. Number 4 on our list, the dog. Over 25,000 people die every year from rabies, spread mostly by unvaccinated dogs. Once symptoms begin, confusion, paralysis, terror of water, death is nearly certain. Rabies has the highest fatality rate of any known disease. The virus attacks the brain relentlessly, turning familiar companions into carriers of terror. Yet the tragedy? It's entirely preventable. Vaccinate dogs, control stray populations, and educate communities. Protect them as much as they protect us, and one of humanity's deadliest killers can be stopped. Number 3 is us, the most intelligent and the most destructive species on Earth. Nearly 500,000 people are killed every year by other humans through wars, crime, and violence. And we've driven over 680 species to extinction in the past 500 years, ravaging ecosystems without remorse. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change leave lasting scars on the planet. No creature kills for greed or ideology, except us. We are both predator and prey, capable of creation and destruction, brilliance and brutality, love and terror, all in the same species. Number 2, the snake. Over 100,000 people die each year from venomous bites, most in remote regions, far from medical help. Cobras, vipers, and mambas strike with terrifying precision, their venom paralyzing muscles and stopping hearts in minutes. The king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, can stand eye to eye with a human before it attacks. Silent, patient, and deadly, snakes can sense vibrations and strike with uncanny speed. From ancient myths to modern fears, they embody both danger and transformation. For centuries, snakes have symbolized death and rebirth, and they've earned both, inspiring awe and terror alike. Number 1, the mosquito. It doesn't roar, it doesn't hunt, yet it kills more people than any creature alive, over 725,000 every single year. By spreading malaria, dengue, Zika, and yellow fever, mosquitoes have shaped entire civilizations, altering history and influencing human migration. They've existed for over 100 million years and can sense the carbon dioxide in your breath from 30 meters away, honing in with terrifying precision. Tiny, persistent, and almost invisible, they exploit every vulnerability. Humanity has conquered the skies and the stars, but the mosquito remains undefeated, a silent emperor of death. From the mightiest beasts to the smallest insects, the deadliest creatures don't always look dangerous. They don't kill out of hatred, only instinct, and maybe the real danger isn't in their nature, but in our ignorance of it. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Tell me in the comments which of these animals surprised you the most, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay curious, stay alive,